Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see the different types of micro operations. Micro operations performed in the logical circuits, that is logical unit. The first one is register transfer micro operations. There are four classifications, namely register transfer, arithmetic, logic, shift micro operations. We will see one by one. The register transfer micro operations. It transforms the binary information from one register to another. That is, we are storing the information in the registers. It will transfers based on the need to the another register. It is represented using RTL notations. It is represented like, for example, R2. The arrow will moves to R2 from R1, which means the register, the data stored in the R1 is transferred to R2. Does not alter the source register. Implemented using buses, multiplexers and control signals used for data movement inside the CPU. These are the things performed in the register transfer micro operations. And the next thing is arithmetic micro operations. It performs the arithmetic operations. We know what all the things will be done in arithmetic, that is addition, subtraction, increment and decrement on numerical data stored in the registers. It may affect the status flags, that is zero flag, carry flag, sign flag and overflow flag. It is used in calculations and decision making. The types already noted, that is addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. The next thing is logical micro operation. That is logical operation is and, or, XOR, not, like thing is logical things. It performs bit manipulation operations on data stored in the register. It is used for masking, comparison and bit testing. It is implemented using only logic gates, because the logical operation is always performed using the logic gates. Shift micro operations perform shift operations on data stored in the registers. Most bits left or right within the register. It is like a shift registers. Types include the logical shift, arithmetic shift and circular shift. Circular shift is rotate. Used for multiplication, division by 2 and data alignment. Implemented using shifters or barrel shifters. The comparison table shows the examples, function and types for different micro operations. That is, register transfer performs transfer, that is, the example is it's from R1 to R3. Arithmetic operations, it performs arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. It performs, that is R1 plus R2 and it is stored in R3. Logical operation, it is bitwise operations, R1 XOR of R2 and it is stored in R1. Shift register, shift bits from left or right. So shift R, so the R registered stored in the R will be shifted either to the left or to the right based on the signal provided. Thank you.